Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today I'm making a high protein cutlet specially for all the vegans and vegetarians out there who are looking for a plant-based protein to include in your diet. So let's get started. To start with, I've taken half a cup of soya chunks and pouring some hot water to it. Let it rest for 15 minutes. In another bowl, I've taken 1/4 cup of green peas, pour some boiling water to it and cover and rest it for 15 minutes. Cooking this way helps green peas to retain its color. Into a blender, I'm going to add some green chilies, ginger, garlic and make them into a fine paste. Later, squeeze off the water from the soya and add it to the blender and grind them. And this is how the mixture should look. To this, I'm adding the cooked green peas, onion, turmeric, red chili, garam masala, coriander powder and mix it well. I've also added some pepper and salt to this. In a pan, I've added 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and now I'm adding all these mixture and gonna cook this for at least 15 minutes. I'm cooking this mixture because we won't be deep frying the patties. Into a bowl, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 2 teaspoons of water and combining them well to form a corn flour slurry. For some additional protein, I'm going to use half a cup of cooked quinoa in this recipe. So our soya mix is completely cooked. Now add the quinoa into this mixture and combine it well along with the corn flour slurry. Finally, it's time to shape the cutlets or patties. You can shape them into any shape of your choice. I've made it into round patty shapes and now I'm going to pan fry them. I'm using a cast iron pan to shallow fry the cutlets and I'm using only 1 teaspoon of oil. Since we've already pre-cooked the mixture of the patties, there is no need to deep fry these patties and you need very less oil to pan sear them. Our high protein vegan or vegetarian cutlets or patties are finally ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure you try them and also tag us on our Instagram handle. Until the next video, take care and bye.